Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lavade. Today is 25th May 2022 and the topic for the today's video is array list in Java. This is my first or original video in this topic. So let us see the array list. So the array list is a class which uses a dynamic array for storing the element. It is just like an array but there is no size limit. Array is a fixed. We can add or remove the elements anytime in the array list. So it is much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in the java.util package. It is like the vector in C++. The array list in Java can have the duplicate elements also. It implements the list interface. So we can use the method of we can use all the methods of the list interface here. The array list maintains the insertion order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. Now there are some points about the array list class, and they are the first is array list class can contain duplicate elements. It maintains the insertion order. This class is non-synchronized. Array list allows random access because the array works on the index basis. In array list, we cannot create in any array list of the primitive type such as int, float, char, etc. It is required to use the required wrapper class in such cases. Java array list gets initialized by the size. The size is dynamic in the array list which varies according to the elements getting added or removed from the list. Now we will see the hierarchy of array list. So the Java array list class extends the abstract list class which implements the list interface. The list interface extends the collection, and collection extends the iterable interface. This is an hierarchical order. Now we will see the some of the constructor of array list. The first is array list without parameter, so which is used to build an empty array list. Then the array list in parameter in capacity. It is used to build an array list that has the specified initial capacity. Now there are some method of the array list. We will see it one by one. So the first method is void add in parameter int index and e element. So which is used to insert the specified element at the specified position in a list. Now the next is get index method. So it is used to fetch the element from the particular position of the list. Then the remove method in parameter int index, which is used to remove the element present at the specified position in the list. Then the boolean remove, that in bracket object o, that is in parameter object o, which is used to remove the first occurrence of the specified element. Now we will see the Java non-generic versus generic collection. So the Java collection framework was non-generic before the JDK 1.5, and since JDK 1.5 it is generic. Java new generic collection allows us to have only one type of object in a collection. Now it is a type safe, so type casting is not required at runtime. Let's see then example of the old non-generic, that is creates array list list equal to new array list and parenthesis bracket, which creates an old non-generic array list. Now we will see the new generic example of creating the Java collection, and that is array list in angular braces string list equal to new array list in angular braces string and parenthesis bracket, which create an new generic array list. In a generic collection, we specify the type in angular braces. Now array list is forced to have only the one specified type of object in it. If we try to add another type of object, it gives a compile time error. And this is all about the array list in Java. Thank you.